It's something like a dream, oh. When the magic in your skin, they mesmerize everyone that come around you. You are the sun and emotion too. It's something like a fantasy, oh. Probably would think it was a lie. If nobody say I see you, I wouldn't know that it's true, yeah. You see that fire in all your eyes. You see that melody in all your life, it shock me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be trying on this hair for you guys, and this hair is from a company called Dorhair. I'm going to leave every details of this company, of course, in the description box below in case you guys are interested. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling.
So I already washed the hair. I did an unboxing of this wig. I'm going to insert it in this video, and I went ahead and I washed the wig. At first when it came, it looked really short. So after washing it, the actual length of the hair came out. I don't know why I chose this color, but I just feel like maybe I shouldn't have chosen this color, but anyways. So I'm going to moisturize this wig. First, I'm just spraying water, and after that I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner on the wig. Smells so good.
Put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man.
I want to brush out this hair. That's just how I feel like wearing it. I just want to brush it out. I want it to look really, you know, big type of afro. That's what I want. So let me spray some more water at the back. And of course, I have my brush. So I'm gonna start from the tip. Why do I want to brush this hair? What is wrong with me? Okay, you know what? I'm going to wear it first. And then if I don't like the way it's looking, then I can brush it.
Man, they want to fail. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. I she ain't a bad man, they want to fail. African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste life. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, them want to feel.
Guys, I was actually thinking of combing out this hair so it will be big, but it's already big, so I might not even have to do that anymore. So I'm just going to try and style this hair as possible as I can. I think it was a bad idea for me to comb this side, so I'm going to try and fix it right now using this conditioner.
Original Batman. Stand. You don't know. Batman. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah.
So guys, this is style number 1, which I love. Like if you're going for a very Afro type of headband wig, I'll suggest you get this one. The hair is so kinky, like look at it. You can see how kinky the coils are. They are so tight, and the hair is still very soft even though it has been, you know, bleached, but it's very soft. I like it.
Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found
The hair is so secured. That's the most important thing. That way when you're running or doing any type of movement, your hair will still be in place.
say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. That me blow. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man.
Hey, see style, oh, come on. What? This one looks even more beautiful than the first one. It looks even better on me. I like this one more. Whoa, look at me. See somebody's child. This is somebody's child. This is somebody's mother. When I first got this hair, I wasn't sure if I liked the color. But right now, with this very style that I'm rocking, I love this color, guys. I love it. So yeah, this is the style that I'll be going with today with this hair. So what do you guys think about this style? It's my favorite out of the two. I love it. Come on, get there. Hey. Give them. This style is beautiful. It's making me feel all type of way. You know what I mean? Like what? Is this me? Is this me? Is this me? Is this me? So that's basically it for this video. I believe you can do a whole lot of style with this hair, but this is the style that I like, and I'm going to, you know, leave it like this for today. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you love about this hair. Is it the density? Is it the color? Is it the style that I did? Let me know in the comment section. And also, I'm going to leave every details of the company in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good